Let's play. 1, 2, go. F sharp E D. 1, 2, 3. A. 1, 2, 3. G A B. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. A. F sharp A. D. 1, 2, 3. C sharp 2. C sharp B A. G sharp A. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and again. F sharp E D. 1, 2, 3. A. 1, 2, 3. G A B A. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. D E F sharp G. 1, 2, 3. E. 1, 2, 3. D E C sharp D. 1, 2, 3. Hold 2, 3. A A A D. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. B B B A. 1, 2, 3. Hold 2, 3. A A A B. 1, 2, 3. D. 1, 2, 3. C sharp C sharp B. C sharp 1, 2, 3. Hold 2 again. C sharp D E D. 1, 2, 3. A. 1, 2, 3. B A B. 1, 2, 3. Hold 2, 3. D E F sharp G. 1, 2, 3. E. 1, 2, 3. D E C sharp D. 1, 2, 3. Hold 2, 3. Hey there, thanks for watching and I hope you find this video helpful. I've got more piano techniques, music theory and tutorials coming your way, so stay tuned. If you think this channel is helping you reignite your passion for piano playing, do like and subscribe and I will see you in the next video.